Before you scroll, let me ask you something. What if trees could talk? They don't have mouths. They don't make sound. But they communicate better than you think. And this isn't a myth. Scientists have proven it.
Trees talk through an underground network called the Wood Wide Web.
Using their roots and fungi, trees send nutrients, signals, and information to each other. When one tree is attacked by insects, it warns nearby trees to prepare defenses. Older trees even share food with younger or weaker trees.
So forests aren't just groups of trees, they're communities. If nature fascinates you, subscribe to Vinny Space Lab for more science that will change how you see the world.